So we're still some time away from the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, but the leaks keep rolling in. The latest suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra may undergo a design revamp, making Samsung's premium flagship easier to hold than previous models. Over the weekend, notable leaker Ice Universe shared images that purportedly show a Galaxy S25 Ultra case. The images hint that Samsung might be moving away from the sharp-edged design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and instead opting for a more rounded look, which could make the device more comfortable to handle. This isn't the first time we've heard about a potential redesign for the S25 Ultra. Earlier leaks from June also indicated that the S25 Ultra could feature a rounder shape than the rest of the Galaxy S25 series, reminiscent of the Galaxy Note 7's design from 2016. Additionally, there are whispers that the S25 Ultra could sport even thinner bezels than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, though it's worth noting that Samsung has no plans to reintroduce curved screens, despite the rounder form factor. Alongside the design changes, there may also be subtle upgrades to the camera layout. The leaked images suggest a vertical alignment of 3 cutouts for the main sensors, likely for the primary, ultra-wide, and periscope lenses. Adjacent to these are smaller cutouts for the laser autofocus, LED flash, and 3x telephoto camera. Compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the camera holes appear larger and more closely spaced, with the entire camera module shifted slightly closer to the phone's top left corner. To provide context, the current Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a new 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Based on leaks so far, Samsung seems focused on camera enhancements for the S25 Ultra, which could make it a strong contender for the title of the best camera phone when it launches. Though we won't hear official details about the Galaxy S25 lineup until early next year, likely in January, anticipation is already building. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.